everyone. Welcome back to Naw Chris Cute Drawing World. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a super cute baby tiger step by step. And let's draw together. What should I draw next? Leave your ideas in the comments below. I might choose your suggestion for my next drawing tutorial. Awesome job! Your cute baby tiger looks amazing. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to Naw Chris Cute Drawing World, and click the notification bell so you won't miss our next easy drawing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.